Welcome to the Bahama floor plan here at Valencia Harbor.
This spacious home features 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, a den, and a 3-car garage. Let's head inside and take a look around. Right from the entry, you can feel how open and inviting this layout really is. The kitchen, dining area, and great room connect seamlessly, creating a space that's perfect for everyday living or entertaining.
Now just wait till you see this stunning primary suite.
Step into the primary suite, your personal escape at the end of the day with plenty of room to unwind. And this beautiful den adds flexibility ideal for work, play, or relaxing. Down the hall, the additional bedrooms provide plenty of space for family or guests.
We hope you enjoy the stunning yet spacious Bahama floor plan here at Valencia Harbor. Visit today to tour all of our beautiful models, and we'll see you soon at Valencia Harbor.